You're under arrest with Kuya?
Go. Go to the prison.
Aray ko!
Okay. What did you do that was wrong? Hmm? Hmm?
You being bad boy? Hmm? You being bad boy? Huh?
No, it goes anyway. Oh!
Ang hilig-hilig mo talagang pumatong, Jacob. Mahulog ka dyan.
You're under arrest.
Aray ko. Don't test him. Don't do that, Jacob. Sayaw nga kayong dalawa, kanta pa. Pakantahin mo nga siya, Lance.
Ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling.
Call Daddy Jacob. Call, wake him up, dali. Call Daddy. Oo, Daddy is coming. Ala! Daddy's coming. Oo. Prig brother?